Hello my dear friends, hope you all are well. In this video I am going to show you a very beautiful and very pretty crochet DIY flowers ideas. If you watch my full video till end, you will see very beautiful and very pretty flowers making ideas for your home decoration. These are different types of flowers like lavender and much more. If you watch my full video till end, you will see amazing and very beautiful flowers decoration ideas for your vases, for your table decorations, for your room decorations. These are washable and very beautiful flowers for your vases. Please try it at home to make it yourself. I will give you a tutorial in my next video, or I will give you a link in description. You will go there and see the tutorials of these flowers, how you will make them. If you are my new viewer and you are watching my video first time, please do subscribe my channel and must share my videos. Who likes DIY ideas or who likes DIY craft. So I really hope that you also like this video. In my next video I will give you many other different and very beautiful and unique ideas related to DIY videos. So for this summer I will share with you as much as ideas I can share with you, with the very creative ideas. So thanks for watching guys. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. God bless you. Enjoy your vacations with your kids, with your family. Have a beautiful day. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.